Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I am going to try out the new Launge 2-in-1 volumizing blow dryer. 2-in-1 because it's a blow dryer and a brush at the same time. And if you are familiar with blow drying using a round brush, this is the tool that's supposed to have it both in one. So you'll have your two hands free or one hand free to help you out. Because, you know, if you are not quite acquainted with using a blow dryer and a brush at the same time, you know that it can be hell on wheels. But this here is supposed to save you some time. Now, I've already put some oil in my hair, which is by Agadir, and it's the argan oil hair treatment. I put that mostly on my ends. I use the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray, as well as the Next Level Nordic Cotton Heat Activated Volume Spray, and also Laid Back Defrizz and Anti-Static Spray, all by IGK. And I do have the Thicket Cream by Launge. I also have the heat protectant as well, but I'm just going to use this, a little bit of this Thicket Cream. It is with infusion of coconut oil and wheat amino acids. I use this, oh, that's too damn much. I used this earlier in the week before I got this volumizer, the 2-in-1 volumizer. I'm gonna be honest, I did not like it that much. I felt like it made my hair a little bit on the oilier side. So I'd maybe dime size, if that, pea size. I'm just gonna put that just throughout the roots to give it more thickness at the root. I don't need thickness at the bottom. Maybe that was the reason why it got oilier. I don't know. We will see how this works. Okay. So this is something that has been back ordered since it first launched. So it has setting of high, low, cool, and off. And you know, the blue light indicates where you're at, so this is off. It also has titanium plates that goes all the way around the whole brush, which is not a round shape but an oval. The titanium plates help dry your hair faster. It also has two types of bristles, which you have the bristles that are like I guess, what do you call those brushes that has the plastic bristles like that? And then you have the like boar brush type bristles. So it's going to give you that extra, I guess, hold when you're pulling it to give you that tension that you need. Because one, I have, hopefully, maybe about a year ago, I bought the Babyliss Pro Titanium, and this has the same thing: cool, low, cool, hot, high, low, cool, and off. But this is a rotating brush. Rotates, right? All right, it just has one set of bristles, not two. So when I put tension, it does not hold tension. So when I'm trying to blow dry it straight, these bristles are very, very soft. So if I do not recommend this if you are trying to go for that blowout look. Okay, now this one here is saying you will receive a blowout look with this tool. It is not heavy. It may look heavy because this thing has this is where the motor is here, so it looks heavy, but it is not. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let me see, should I put on some extra lights? Okay, I was about to say, well, my lights went out. Let me put on some extra lights to see if that makes a difference. No. Okay, all right, here we go. And you see there, all four of these, because the high is on high. Okay. I know. I look like a missing member of the Beatles or whatever, but I'm not gonna lie. I was not trying to give this thing a chance because one, I was like, I started going. Okay, I started blow drying and I was thinking, this is not gonna work. I didn't feel the tension that I wanted to feel. Not snorting. The tension that I wanted to feel while I was pulling it. Because one, my hair was too wet. And I remember I did read somewhere, or I saw a video, or one of the girls was like, it's best if you don't have sopping wet hair. My hair wasn't sopping, but it needs to be at, okay, yes, I do look like Thelma from Scooby-Doo, but that's okay. That may or may not be because I may or may not have cut my own hair so I can see, but that happened way before this. But anyways, so my final thoughts on this blow dryer. I really do like the blow dryer. I feel like that when I did it earlier, it only took maybe about, because my hair is shorter, I think I needed to let it dry a little bit more with the towel on it so that I could get a better, it wasn't gripping as good. Because I think because it was still on the more wet side. So when I went to try to use my other blow dryer, which is totally different. Let me show you. This is the type of blow dryer that I use on a normal basis. It does not give me that blowout look that you would get with a round brush. That's why I really wanted to try this Le Volume by Lange. Because I was like, okay, I love that blowout look, but I hate having to use a blow dryer and a brush because my arms get tired very fast by using both. So I was like, I really do love this blow dryer. And I was, when I felt like it wasn't working within the first minute, I was like, oh hell, I'm gonna have to send this thing back. Oh my goodness, no. But then I realized, okay, Sparkle, remember what they said. It's better to use it on hair that is not wet. So I had to let it cool down a little bit or dry up a little bit before I was able to use it correctly. Product I love. This is going to be in my routine when I blow dry my hair because I love this brush. It is so worth the hype. You can get on their website right now. Products that they have on there are 50% off, I believe. I did use the Thicket Cream and I used their heat protectant. The last time I used it, I wasn't really sure how I felt about it. I still don't know because we'll see in a couple days. Because usually I have trained my hair to not get oily, dirty really fast. So when I used their Thicket Cream and the I guess heat protectant, the heat protectant shouldn't have been what caused my hair to get oilier, but the Thicket Cream was the only one that I used that's different than my normal routine. So with that being said, I'm trying it out again. That maybe it works different when you're using their tools. I don't know. We'll have to see. And I did have to flat iron my hair, and I do not have their flat iron. They do have a flat iron. It's called the Larev, and I've been hearing lots of good things about it. It's a 2-in-1 as well. Well, it doesn't say it's a 2-in-1, but you can also use it to curl your hair like any flat iron. But this, they rave about it because it has the, I think titanium plates, I believe. I don't know too much about that one because I already have a flat iron that I love. So, other than that, that's it for this review. I will give this a thumbs up, and I would definitely recommend this blow dryer, especially if you are the type of person who likes that blowout where, you know, this feels very, if you've ever had a blowout, a salon blowout, then you know that your hair feels very light. It feels very smooth, very, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it feels amazeballs. So yes, I would definitely recommend this brush, because it does give you that salon blowout look without having to use a brush and a blow dryer where you're trying to manipulate, because some people cannot get it. Because I went to hair school, I can flip it, but it does make my hand tired. Where this here, it has the little thing at the end like you do like a curling iron, and you can get it in there and hold it like that, hold it in one spot for a few minutes, and bam. So I would recommend this product. So go to Launge now. This is not a sponsored video. Actually, I bought this with my own money. So, and they also have Afterpay. So if you don't feel like you can afford to pay the whole amount now, which is, I believe is $99, but I had a coupon code, or a coupon that I got when I signed up for Launge, which gave me like 10% off. And I ended up paying like $89 for it. But it is so worth it. I mean, you can get a blow dryer for like the price of this thing by itself, and then you got a 2-in-1. Like it says, 2-in-1. So they also have other good products there, from my understanding. I don't know, because I don't own anything other than the hair extensions, the Thicket cream, the seal heat protectant, and this 2-in-1. So I can only give you advice on that. So if you want my advice on this one, you should go out and buy it. And yeah, I will see you in a later video. Bye.